Hey guys, do you remember this viral video generated by AI an year before? Will Smith eating spaghetti pasta. Yes, you remember this, right? And we all laughed at it, thinking AI is still far from making things practical and a reality. Now check this out. Can you believe these videos are generated by AI? Look at them. Yes, that's Sora's OpenAI new text to video generation model that's blowing up the internet now. Those old clips were funny, but Sora's realism is on another level, making it hard to tell it's generated by AI. It's only been a year, but look at the difference. The difference is night and day. Now things are getting real serious. From mocking AI generated videos to seeing some serious stuff, AI is evolving exponentially. In this video, let's talk about what is Sora and how can we use Sora. If you're new here, I'm a mentor in the field of AI and machine learning. Started my journey over 12 years as a mentor and helped thousands of corporates learn and implement multiple technologies starting from Java, DevOps, Python, data science, and also AI. In this particular video, let's dive in and understand what Sora is all about. And let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to AI with AI. This side, Asif Imnad. Imagine creating a jaw-dropping product demos in a minute, not days. You are owner of one of the product-based companies and you want to create a nice visuals of the product so that you can market it and sell it to the customer. But you need to hire videographer, graphic designer, animator, so on and so forth. And definitely they will take days to create video for the product, and cost involved for this is also very high. Not only that, bringing your wildest stories, your lucid dreams, imagining them and putting them in the words and bringing them to life and creating visuals of your dreams. How fantastic it would be, isn't it? Or a social media post that actually make people stop scrolling by looking at that stunning video generated by Sora. Alright, so here I am on openai.com/Sora to understand more about Sora. Let's see what is it all about. This is what OpenAI has to say, creating videos from the text. Sora is an AI model that can create realistic and imaginative scenes from the text instructions. So going forward, make sure you are a master or you learn the skill to provide the amazing prompts. So AI understand the details. So AI understand what detailed picture or the video you want to generate from the given details. So all the videos you're gonna see in this page are actually generated by AI. They are not shoot, they are not generated by any graphic designer. Even the background which you see on this home page is generated by Sora itself. And I think the prompt that they have given to generate this video is something like paper airplanes moving through the dense jungle just like migrating birds. This is the prompt they have given, and look at the results. Amazing, isn't it? Let's see some more stunning videos which are generated by Sora. So in simple words, Sora is just a text to video generation model. Sora can generate videos up to a minute long while maintaining the visual quality, and which can adhere to the user's prompt. So I need to master only one skill, that is providing proper prompts so that AI can provide us quality videos. Let's see some more videos generated by Sora. I think you remember this one, right? This video actually went viral on Instagram. A stylish woman walks down a Tokyo street. Look at the realism here. Look at the skin texture. Look at the reflection on the street. Look at the reflection on the glasses. This video is really difficult for any one of us to imagine that this is generated by AI. Difficult, right? Look at the prompt that they have provided here. So this is the only skill that I require. A stylish woman walks down the Tokyo street, black leather jacket, long red dress, black boots, a black purse. She wears sunglasses, red lipstick, walking confidently, casually. Street is reflective, creating mirror effect of colorful lights. So this inputs needs to be provided, and look at the stunning results here. Let's see some more examples. And this one is actually mind-blowing. Look at this. These creatures doesn't really exist, right? But AI can actually create a videos from your imagination. Several giant woolly mammoths approaching, training through a snowy meadows. So let me try providing these prompts to Google Gemini and let's see what is the results that we get. Definitely it cannot create the videos, but just for fun, let's try what images it can create. Copy pasted the same prompt. Look at these amazing results. Beautiful, isn't it? Google Gemini can generate really amazing images. I have tried it already many times. But now it is just a matter of time. Now with the prompt you can also generate a video. I'm really excited for this. Let's see. I think Sora will be embedded with the ChatGPT itself. I don't know how they will keep the payment plans, whether they will offer as a premium subscription, because image generation DALI is already embedded to ChatGPT, right? So same way, I think Sora will also be embedded into the ChatGPT only. And within the same prompt, if you provide the prompt saying generate video, it should generate the video for you. This is what I think. Let's see, we'll come to know about that in future.
Okay, before we proceed and discuss in detail, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you won't miss our latest videos on AI. We see you are watching our videos, but 90% are not yet subscribed. We put lot of efforts creating these videos for you free. Keep us motivated by liking and subscribing, so YouTube algorithm will also help us reach more audience. So, did you subscribe and like? Thank you.
Let me show you some more videos generated by AI, and look at this. I think this is really insane. This stunning cinematic video is also generated by AI. I couldn't believe on my eyes. It is really amazing, isn't it? So do you think for creating trailers for teasers we need to spend a lot of money? Now it is not needed. We just need to imagine and put that into words as a prompt, and video will be generated for us. Beautiful, isn't it? Let me show you some more results here. Look at this video. Do you think that this video is also generated by Sora? Yes, it is. Difficult to believe, right? The videos generated by Sora are very close to the reality. This looks like a shot taken by the drone. Now we don't need those expensive drones, and also we don't have to travel to these places just for shooting a short videos, right? We can definitely save a lot of money in traveling and shooting these kind of sceneries. Now we can just create it by using Sora. Beautiful, right? I don't know, I'm really thinking about what will happen with the videographers and the photographers. Their job is definitely in danger, at least after some years. Maybe not immediately, but when it becomes cheap, when it becomes faster, when it becomes more realistic, then the graphic designers, videographers and animators job is definitely in the danger. This is what I think. Let's see. So the question here is Sora available to everyone? Using Sora is definitely easy. There is no doubt. We just need to provide the prompt with the proper details. We just need to describe the scenes in the detail. Think of the colors, the style, the filters, the camera angles, the lighting conditions, and after you see the draft video, you can tweak and refine and customize until you don't get satisfied with the output. But you know, Sora is not publicly available yet. Sora is becoming available to red teamers only. That means the really intelligent OpenAI team. This is what they are talking about. Those who are assessing critical areas for harms and the risk, and they are also granting the access to the visual artists, the designers and the filmmakers to gain their feedback and to improve the output generated by AI. Let me show you some more examples. Look at this video. This video looks like vintage video, isn't it? Yes, it is. The prompt that they have provided to this video is the historical footage of California during gold rush. Amazing how realistic this video is. This video actually looks like if they have shoot this video in the 19th century, isn't it? I wanted to show you one more video which is generated by Sora, is this one. Look at this video. Just observe this image. If you look at this video, there is a large orange octopus which is seen at the bottom of the ocean, and big crab is chasing this octopus. You can also see the sun rays reflecting in the bottom of this ocean, the rocks around, blue crystal clear water. I think this is the prompt that they have provided. Let's look at the prompt. What is the prompt that they have given? A large orange octopus seen at the bottom of the ocean, rocky terrain, eyes closed, octopus is unaware of the king crab. Crab is crawling towards it from behind the rock. The scene is captured from wide angle, showing the vastness depth of the ocean. Water is clear, rays of sunlight filtering through. The shot is sharp and clear, high dynamic range. These are the details that they have provided. And look at the result. Amazing, isn't it? But you know what? Sora is not that perfect yet. Why I'm saying so? Let me show you some examples here. And this is what OpenAI is also accepting. They're saying model has some weaknesses. Whenever it has to generate the complex scenes, you might see the physics rules are not being followed, right? Let me show you some examples so that you'll understand it better. Let me show you the proper one. If you look at this video, the prompt that they have given to generate this video is group of wolf puppies chasing each other, playing together. But if you observe closely, spontaneously these wolves appear from somewhere and disappear suddenly. Do you see that? This looks something weird, right? So whenever there are multiple entities in the video, this is where Sora is getting confused. Also, let me show you this video. If you observe this video closely, what is awkward you see? Look at the flame angle. They're not in the same direction. Sora doesn't understand physics yet, right? If you could also look at the hands waving by this lady here, look at her fingers. They look little weird, right? Observe again. Look at the lady in the back. The way she's waving her hands, the fingers look little weird. And also the lady who is clapping behind looks little weird, isn't it? Alright, but this is just a year before we have seen Will Smith eating spaghetti pasta. Let me show you that video once again. And within a year, and these results are really stunning. Alright, so that is it for this video. Once Sora is available publicly, we'll create a video on how to use Sora. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe to our channel.
And that's how we come to an end of this video. If you have any questions regarding the same, let us know in the comment below. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and the colleagues. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Till then, take care and bye-bye.